Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the summer skincare using the single ingredient available at the kitchen. I personally follow 2 steps with the ingredient, that is cleansing and scrub. It deep cleanses the skin and treat acne. It also reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Curd add glow to skin. Applying curd every day on your face can help you get a soft and problem-free skin. Curd is full of good bacteria that helps your skin glow. It also helps to improve your complexion. Gently massage and wash it after 10 minutes with the cold water. Understanding our skin and taking care of it is really important. Continue watching to know the benefits of the scrub I use. Adding these 2 ingredients and making it as a paste. This face scrub is for various skin concerns like whitening, getting rid of acne and dark circles. This scrub is also known as a home remedy for removing tanning. Gently scrub all over the face and neck. Always remember that natural remedies take time. Please follow this twice a week for the best results. Apply all over the face and neck, gently scrub and leave it for 10 minutes as a face mask. Following these 2 steps can keep your skin soft and problem-free. Thank you for watching. Hope the video was useful. Please do comment and like. Please do take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.